Evening all, Bobby Two Pots Breaks. It is Friday, August the 26th. We are breaking bomb box full size helmets. Randomed up our 9 remaining box numbers. 26 is what we got. We did random team sales on your left. We've already randomized teams and customers. Alphabetized everybody. Gave you all a chance to trade. We know all the hits from the checklist, so nothing going down. Seattle is going to be our hits for the free spot, guys. Alright, guys, well, it does appear I think they're going to be alright. I don't know how great they're going to be, but I think, yeah, they got enough talent, their skill positions. Alright, but it appears, guys, hell has frozen over. Well, Nick, finally, bud. Oh, guys, not a big hit, but I'm sure Nick's happy there. I'm telling you, man, I love these helmets, man. These Ram helmets in the Flash, they are really friggin' nice. I mean, they are beautiful helmets. Of course, she is an authentic Beckett Witness hologram honor. Going to be Cam Akers, and again, there's nothing wrong with that Sig Bud. That's just the way the damn light's glaring there. But that is going to be Big Willie Nick. You see, guys, I told y'all you needed to switch your names to to slang terms for penises, and you would. Nick's the only one who took my advice, and he won. Alright, who has Seattle? Who has Seattle? I don't even know, he might have left. Yeah, he might have saw his damn team there and left or something, man. I'm surprised he hasn't chimed in yet. Alright, and then Westicles is going to get the do-over there, guys. So that is going to ramp up that one. That is Nick. Breakers.tv. YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Bobby Two Pops Breaks. You all have a wonderful night and enjoy your weekend.